listen up, ladies, we've got something coming up in our diaries just for you on the 2nd of February. So at 6 p.m, you can come along for some fun and some friendship and some food as well. That'll cost you £7, and there's going to be fun and games and pizza. It's going to be an awesome evening, so make sure you get yourself a ticket and book yourself in today. Are you new to Excel Church? Then we'd like to invite you to our new person's coffee and cake evening, which will be on the 26th of January. It will be at 5:30 p.m, and you can sign up via our website or via Exchange as well, or you can speak to the welcome team if you don't know how to do either of those. It's going to be a great opportunity for you to get to know the leaders and get to know what Excel Church is all about. So we invite you to come along for coffee and cakes on the 26th of Jan.
Than our sin, your love reaches out to all.
January has 5 Wednesdays, so on the 5th Wednesday this month, that is the 30th of January, we've got the second of our leadership development nights. That's going to be at 7:30 p.m, and anybody is welcome to come along and get some teaching on leadership. And we've got special guest Martin Story from Christian Life Ministries in Coventry coming to speak for us, so we hope you can join us then, 30th of Jan at 7:30 p.m.
Caught up in your overwhelming grace, your love has set me free, and now I realize nothing in this world.
That's everything for Excel News. Have a great week, and we'll see you back next Sunday for some more.